Hello, this is Professor Urbis White. Today we will talk about how to solve word problems related to geometry in a systems of equations setting. So, let's get started. The way you tackle the word problems is you write down the meaning of x, y, and z. Usually in a geometry problem, you draw a picture and then label the picture. So that's the easiest way to do. Put down the equations next to the picture, solve the equations, and then go back and see if your answer makes sense. So let's do an example. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 3 times that of angle A. The measure of angle C is 2 more than that angle of A. Find the angle measures. Okay, so the question is going to give away what we are looking for. We are looking for an angle C, B, and A. What are my equations? So write down the meaning of X, Y, and Z. So in this case, I'm going to call them angle B, angle A, and angle C, just like I showed. So I labeled it, I drew a picture, and this is all good. Now let's put down the equations. So let's look at that. The measure of, let's say angle A I know, so it says the measure of angle B is 3 times that of angle A. So is going to give it away. B is. So that means B is 3 times that of angle A. That's the first equation. Now, let's look at the measure of angle C is 20 more than that of A. So C is 20 more than that of A. Does it make sense? All right. Now, what is the third one? There's nothing else that's in the wording of the problem. Okay, what's the third one? I need a third one. I need a third equation. I have ABC. What is it going to be? What's it going to be? You have to tap into your knowledge of geometry. What is the sum of internal angles of a triangle? Oh, I remember that. That is A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Now I can put the degrees, so I know that these are in degrees. Degrees. So I'm going to find that. It's not in radians, but in degrees. Very good, I have my 3 equations. So let's go and solve them. So I'm going to do a substitution. Let me do it this way. All right, here we go. So I have A plus B plus C is 180. A plus B plus C is 180. I'm going to write everything in A. A is A, B is 3A, C is A plus 20. Everything is 180. 3, 4, 5A equals, subtract 20 from both sides, that's 160. And divide both sides by 5, and you'll get 32 degrees. All right, now let's get B. What was B? B is 3A. What does that mean? 3 times 32. How much is that? 96 degrees. Okay? What is the next one? And I know C is A plus 20. A is 32 plus 20. That is 52 degrees. So I did all steps that I could think of. And let's check. What is my reality check? So I have 96 plus 32 plus 52. Is that 180? Yeah, that works. Is B 3 times A? 32 to 96? Yes. Is this one 20 more than that one? Yes. Check. Very good. Now, here's another problem. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 feet. The length is 5 feet longer than its width. Find the length and the width. I automatically go and draw a rectangle. And I automatically go and label it. Perimeter, okay, that means all around. I can write it down. 30 feet. The length is 5 feet longer than its width. So that means we are talking about a length. And we're talking about a width. Find the length and width. Okay, here's the length and here's the width. All right, let's go. Now go find the word is. Length is. Length is 5 feet longer than its width. Very good. And how about the perimeter? Perimeter is, how many lengths do I have? 1, 2, 2 lengths plus 2 width. All right, let's use substitution. So 30 equals, instead of L, I'm going to put W plus 5 and work it out. 2W plus 10. 2W. How many W's? We are talking about 4 W's plus 10. Now let's subtract 10 from both sides. You're going to have 30 minus 10. That's going to give you 20. And you have 4W. Divide both sides by 4. W equals 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 what? Feet. Very good. So let's go try to get the length. I know that length is 5 more than the width. 5 plus 5. That's 10 feet. Reality check. Okay. Do they add up to 30? 10 plus 5, 15 times 2, 30. Yes, check. So I have width of 5 feet, length of 10 feet. Did I answer the question? Yes, I did.